I'm Steve and welcome to my Nissan 350Z. Tonight we are heading to a car meet in Woking. Now this video is brought to you by carhuddle.com, the free online car show directory, and this car show is called JDM versus the world. So we are representing not necessarily JDM, but it's a Japanese car. JDM cars tend to be the earlier imported cars for the domestic market of Japan. So my son was telling me that we are very close. We're just approaching now, so enjoy the video. So here is the entrance to Woking Leisure Centre, and we are following a Mark 1 MX-5 over some speed bumps, which is always fun. Why does that MX-5 sound like it's got a Cummins diesel engine in it? So here we are. Oh, there's quite a few spaces. Oh, wow, that's gruesome. Lamini has done a great job of parking. And tonight, we have homemade brownies. Oh, the Volvo's doing some skids. So here we are parked up in a very dirty car because Storm Dennis has hit us, but luckily it's not raining now. However, we are in a covered car park, so if it was raining, we'd still be dry. So we've got a lot of BMWs, a lot of MX-5s, and a lot of everything else. This is JDM versus the world. These speed bumps are absolutely brutal. This Mark 2.5 MX-5 has half a splitter for weight saving. And here is one of the stars, this glorious S13 with a wide arch kit on it, and a little ducktail spoiler on the back. And this lovely Evo here. Are white wheels brave? Let me know. Squeaky. Yes, 5-cylinder turbo Volvo and an RX-8 wheel Rigwang. And as an added bonus, due to Storm Dennis, we've got a lovely stream by the side of the car park, so we can go for a swim if we really want to. Marlboro? You can't just get a Marlboro sticker and whack it on in orange. And we return to this MX-5, which also has short back and sides written on the side of it. Obviously it's because it's a hairdresser's car, but still, Marlboro in orange? Really? Now, in a lot of my videos, some of you tell me to just be quiet and not talk throughout them. A lot of you don't like me talking. So, for you, for the next little bit, I'm going to stop talking. Get slayed. You see, how was that? That was really boring, so you can shut up, not me. And here we have an MX-5, which is camo with like the army teeth down it, and then some pink hearts and wheels. It's like his and hers MX-5. And someone's making an entrance. The second Subaru in this lineup apparently has some McLaren MSO parts on it. Let's see if we can spot them. No, that's not McLaren. No. And this red S14 has escaped from under my radar. Take a look at this. You don't see enough Zenki S14s these days. And in comes an R34. Someone's making some smoke. Is it the MX-5? I think it's the MX-5. Oh, he's been gassed out. Oh, minty friends! Smoke grenades have been set off. And here we have the undercover police. Is it turquoise? Is it black? We will never know. I've seen multicolored strobe headlights before, but not rear lights. That's new for me. This van had a front end swap. seem to be starting to leave because a police car has just turned up. The lyrics, they see me rolling, they hating, has never been more relevant. Ah, all the Subarus are rolling out. Let's capture some sounds. That's not very Jaguar. Oh no! Fatality. It's quite ironic actually that it's an ST that got set off by loud sounds. Flashy, flashy. That darn viscous limited flip diff not locking. Oh no! Yeah, he bailed there. Look at these flames! Whoa! It's a scuffer.
I'm guessing that Astra is not undercover police. Is he close to the curb, maybe? I think he is. Oh, here we go. Punto has turquoise wheels. I think it pooed out a leaf. Oh my god!
Look at how close the skid marks are to
I know, that was proper close to that curve. It seems someone might have seen some flames earlier and called a fire engine. Right.
This is the best meet I've ever been to. Yeah.
He's trying again. Oh.
Please crash, please crash, please crash. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Oh no, he's coming down the hill now. Even less control. He just came to a stop there. Imagine that was undercover coming up to see the blue lights turn on. Another fire engine, or the same one who's confused? Not sure. Such lag. Now there are a few more cars still left, but I'm going to head home. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all the weekly highlights about these meets that I go to and photos and information about them. But for now, thanks for watching.